Yoast SEO Plugin Tutorial 2023. Boost your website's visibility with Yoast SEO. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about Yoast SEO, which is considered the #1 WordPress SEO plugin. So yeah, basically, let's just get straight into it without further ado. Now, what is an SEO? SEO is basically search engine optimization. In more descriptive words, an SEO is basically the capability or the likeliness of your website appearing on the Google search. So let's say your website is about, let's say, makeup or, something related to beauty cosmetics and stuff. So let's say someone searches about those beauty cosmetics, or someone searches about, face care, skin cosmetics, something like that. SEO basically allows you to appear on the Google page on the top search. It basically gives you the capability to appear on the top search, and that's the great thing about it. So basically, as you can see with my description, SEO is extremely important. It's extremely important to, gain people. It's extremely important to gain users, contacts, and more stuff. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, because today I bring you with Yoast. Okay, so Yoast is basically a company that has their very own SEO, and this SEO is specifically a WordPress plugin. Now, how does the Yoast SEO actually work? So basically, first of all, you're going to make sure to have a proper WordPress plugin. Now, once you have a WordPress plugin, a proper WordPress site with a, upgraded WordPress, once you have all of that, all you're going to do from there is you're going to come over to the Yoast SEO website. So choose your preferred version and start optimizing right away. Now, obviously, there is 3 different plans. There's the Yoast SEO free plugin, the premium plugin, and the plugin subscription. Now, the free plugin, everything you need to start ranking in search engines, automatically take care of all your site's technical SEO, access to, free academy courses with 13 million users, the most used SEO in the world. Then you obviously have the premium plugin. Be the first to get new features and tools before everyone else. You can also optimize your site for the right keywords for your users, avoid dead links in your site, get previous previews for sharing on Twitter and Facebook, content quality and link suggestions as you write. Now includes full access to Yoast SEO Academy. And then obviously there's the subscriptions, which the plugin subscription, which gives you, a proper Yoast plugin. So obviously, we're going to go with the free one. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on download Yoast SEO for free. So here it says your plugin is downloading right now. Okay. Now, once you download your plugin, as you can see, WordPress SEO zip, it obviously downloads it in a zip file. So once it's downloaded, what you're going to do is you're going to head over here to your WordPress. Okay. You're just going to go ahead and you're going to log in with your WordPress. And once you've obviously, logged in with your WordPress and everything, okay, which is going to happen from there, is that you're going to get, tons and tons of different prompts of plugins and stuff like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to obviously manually add your, plugin that we just downloaded. Okay. You're going to add that, and it's going to be pretty simple to add that into your WordPress, because obviously we know, if like I assume you know how to use WordPress if you clicked on this video. So if you know how to use WordPress, you'll know how to, get straight into the whole WordPress adding. So obviously, once you're done with the whole signing up process, you're going to be gone to the WordPress dashboard naturally. And once you're, in your WordPress dashboard, from there on out, what's going to happen is, it's going to ask you to enter all your, relevant details and all that stuff. So just make sure to go ahead and do that. And obviously, I'm just going to quickly get myself into the dashboard, and here I am. So here's going to be your dashboard and everything. And here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here. Okay. And once you're down here, you're going to see plugins. And once you click on plugins, basically what's going to happen is they're, going to give you all of this. Now, you can just, come and download the plugin from here, but this is obviously the Yoast SEO Premium. We want a free one. So for that, all you're going to do is you're going to click on upload. And once it says, install plugin, make sure to have, again, I'm going to emphasize this again, make sure to have an upgraded plan. You cannot do this on the free plan. So once you have an upgraded plan, you're going to go to your folders, go to your download, come here, right click. Okay. Once you right click, click on extract to WordPress. And once that is done, you're going to click on the folder that you just extracted from, click on that again. And once you have clicked on this again, basically what you're going to do is obviously you're going to see that it has all the admin and CSS, all the necessities that it actually needs for the sitemap. And like, once you've seen everything and once everything, you verified it that it properly works, then what you're going to do is you're just going to upload the whole plugin. Now, the plugin form is preferably, better uploaded in the zip, because once you upload the plugin in a zip form, it's just going to work better in that retrospect. Now, once you've obviously done all your uploading and stuff, like, once the relevant details are done over, from there on out, I guess there's not a lot to discuss about. From there on out, like, once you put Yoast SEO. Obviously, from there, you can first of all create SEO friendly content for yourself where you can get help with optimizing your posts. So basically, whatever post you have in your WordPress over here, in your post, basically the plugin is going to allow you to optimize your posts accordingly to, better SEO. So that's one feature. And as you can see, it gives you tips. Like if there's one post, they're going to say, okay, this is good job, good job. Then if there's some key phrase, they're going to say key phrase or symptoms appear in the meta description. And it's just going to give you, reviews in a way that, okay, this is good for the SEO. You can do this for your SEO. You can do that for your SEO. You can also save time and spot opportunities with Yoast SEO workouts. Okay, to get a healthy website that ranks well, you need to do SEO regularly. And that's really true, because if you want a good website statistic and you want, good views to your website and stuff, you're going to need to, do SEO daily, and also set up a solid internal linking structure. Create a site structure that your visitors in Google understands. With Yoast SEO Premium, you get powerful internal linking tools that tell you what and how to improve, from internal linking suggestions to ready-made blocks. Then also prevent your visitors from ending up on dead links. Avoid 404 errors and dead ends on your site. The redirect manager automatically creates and manages redirects when you move or delete the content. Automatically adds structured data to help Google understand your site. Adding structured data is one of the most effective ways of getting your site noticed by search engines. And Yoast SEO, automatically adds the right structured data and all that stuff. Then you can also be confident because it visually makes you good posts. Get integrations with the powerful platforms like SEMrush, Wincher, Elementor, WordProof, all that stuff, and integrate it and use it along with Yoast SEO, and yeah, you're gonna be set. You're gonna be good to go, and it's gonna give you great features to work with. And then obviously you can learn SEO over here as well. Like Yoast SEO gives you guides, classes on how you can work with SEO, so you can go ahead and do that as well. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.